Kamari and
Christian. Today we will be talking about the Mid-Atlantic colonies.
there are 4 states in the Mid-Atlantic.
New York, New Jersey, Delaware, and Pennsylvania.
Some jobs in the Mid-Atlantic are
Carpenters, shoemakers, masons, and coopers.
the Mid-Atlantic colonies have
Mild winters and moderate climate. There were a lot of different people in the Mid-Atlantic. There were
Quakers and people from England. These colonies were very diverse. William Penn, the leader, was a very nice man. This group did not believe in slavery and had free rent. Okay, we almost. The Mid-Atlantic was known for growing crops such as
wheat, corn, and rye.
Thank you for watching. This was Kamari and
Christian. See you next time. Well, Kamari, Christian. See you.